Hi, I'm Jason the pharmacist. It has been a while since I last uploaded video in my YouTube channel. I really wanted to grow my channel, just that I get fed up with my old laptop with turtle speed, lagging, and can't even edit in 4K. Which is why I use my own hard-earned money to build this new setup so that it will be easier for me to create more and more content regarding health topics for you all. So in this video, I'm going to share my personal view and experience of using them, what I like about them, and why I would say that it worth the money. Obviously, with the big ROG logo, this is a pre-built gaming desktop from Asus. It is Asus ROG GA35 gaming desktop. But wait a minute, why buy a pre-built PC? Everybody loves building their own custom PCs, right? I mean, why not? You can buy the PC parts you like and build it the way you prefer. Plus, it was true that custom PCs offer the best price to performance ratio and they were almost always cheaper than the pre-built equivalents. But in 2021, it's completely a different story. Custom PCs can end up way more expensive because right now, the price of PC parts, especially the graphic card's GPU, have already skyrocketed as many as 300% over the past 12 months. And we all know who's the culprit: cryptocurrency mining. Just take my new PC Asus GA35 as an example to compare the price of a pre-built PC with a custom one of the same specs, built up by buying the same components separately. Looking at the total price difference, the truth speaks for itself. This means that you have to top up extra 3.6k ringgit Malaysia just to build the same PC. And with the GPU alone, its price is almost 3/4 the total price of Asus GA35 desktop. So you get what I mean, right? It truly breaks my heart to say this, but it would be better to get a pre-built PC this year. Besides, pre-built PC actually offers some benefits, like you don't have to worry about parts compatibilities, and it comes with a warranty period which includes every single part of the PC and with a dedicated customer support from the brand itself. And it's pre-installed with Windows 10, and some even come with a full set of keyboard and mouse just like mine here. So with that being said, I'm just gonna share my personal experience after using this setup for 2 weeks, the Asus GA35 desktop and the ultra-wide screen Acer Nitro XV340ckp. So I'm not a tech guy, so I'm just going to skip introducing their specs, but if you are interested, you can always refer to the description links below. Alright, so from my point of view, as both a content creator and a casual gamer, I can tell you this. This thing right here is a beast for both gaming and content creation, especially if you are looking a mid-range 4K editing pre-built gaming desktop which can handle high graphic games as well. Asus GA35 can handle some serious video editing like 4K easily. So in Adobe Premiere Pro, when you preview the timeline for 4K videos in full, it still runs smoothly even with the transitions and color grading applied. The video playback is not choppy or lagging. It's all because of its fast-running 8-core CPU, 32GB RAM and its powerful GPU, which really makes this PC a powerful tool for content creations. And the video export time really blows my mind. I tested it. The time for exporting a 5-minute raw video at maximum depth and render quality are just 2.5 minutes for 4K and 1.5 minutes for 1080p. For the 10-minute video, 4K is 6 minutes, while 1080p is 4 minutes. 20-minute video, 4K is 10 minutes, and 1080p is 8 minutes. So the GPU of this PC is fully utilized for hardware encoding in Adobe Premiere, which makes the whole process a lot faster. Being paired up with a 34-inch ultra-wide Acer monitor, the extra screen space makes multitasking even more convenient by displaying different apps at the same time. You don't have to switch between them. And when it comes to video editing, you can have extra room in Adobe Premiere to use the effect panels, open the extensions and the essential graphic panel while still be able to see and scroll through the timeline easily. Out of the box, to be honest, the color of this monitor isn't quite accurate, but after some calibration, it is good enough for color grading purpose. Consider its price range at 1.6k ringgit Malaysia only, it is decent enough for both gaming and content creations. When it comes to gaming, even though the GPU RTX 2070 Super of this desktop is not the best graphic card you can get right now, but trust me, it is still good and does its jobs well. It can run high graphic games like Control, Red Dead Redemption 2 at ultra settings very well even at my 34-inch ultra-wide monitor.
The place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can.
As you can see, the gameplay is so smooth, maintaining above 60 frames per second. The graphic is fantastic, and together with an ultra-wide monitor, you truly can immerse yourself in the games. Shooting games like CSGO and Overwatch, it can run at high frames per second easily, but of course, you need to pair up with a monitor having a high refresh rate like this one here up to 144Hz. The ultra-wide monitor might even offer you advantage for having more peripheral visions to let you spot your enemies first before they can even see you. This setup here can give you a good gaming experience for both fast and slower paced games. And one more thing I like about this PC is the overall design and of course the beautiful RGB. As you can see, the desktop, the mouse and the keyboard synchronized together. You know, they always say that RGB lighting can improve your PC performance. I don't know about that, it might be true, but one thing for sure, it will definitely improve your gaming experience. Of course, there are still some flaws with it. First, you can see that there's a lot of holes and cuts to maximize airflow and cooling, which is good, but after 2 weeks of use, I found out that it can accumulate dust in it very easily. And one more thing is that it only comes with one 512GB NVMe SSD, which is not really enough for me when it comes to storage for my video. It does have a 2TB HDD hard disk, but HDD is way slower than that. So all in all, I'm really satisfied with my money spent on this setup, and I think it's really suitable for content creators out there who's looking for a mid-range PC able to edit 4K videos and play games casually like me. And for the Ultra monitor, I can only say once you try it, there's no going back. So yeah, that's it. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you wish to know more regarding health and medical topics. Do comment below if you are interested of certain topics that you want me to share or if you have any medical concerns. I'm Jason, your pharmacist. See you next time.